1. Currently, you have the opportunity to acquire a beautiful 1970 Datsun 510 four-door for $13,000. This car, with a mileage of 83,191 miles, is equipped with a manual transmission and presented in a stylish blue color. The seller mentions owning this car for over 10 years and recently carried out its refurbishment. The car features an L1600 engine with a 210 head, Weber downdraft carburetor, and an exhaust system with headers. The 4-speed manual transmission adds to the driving pleasure. Recent repairs include the replacement of many essential parts, such as the master clutch cylinder, master brake cylinder, rear brake cylinders, clutch tube, clutch, front shock absorbers, rear stabilizer, front shock absorber bracket, and rear shock absorber bracket. Additionally, all chrome elements have been installed in the car. Most functions, such as turn signals, hazard lights, brake lights, windshield wipers, and the fuel gauge, work properly. The car has spent most of its life indoors, minimizing the impact of corrosion. It has minimal rust compared to other Datsun 510 cars. While the car has some minor issues, such as the need to install an exhaust system with headers and carpet, as well as a potential replacement of the fuel filler neck device, it represents a wonderful project for those willing to invest a bit of time and effort to complete it. 2. Right now, you have a unique opportunity to acquire a stylish mode of transportation, a 1979 Chrysler 300 for $5,000. This car, with a mileage of 94,862 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and presented in an elegant white color with a red interior. The seller describes it as an exciting car that simply requires a bit more fuel efficiency. The car has character, especially on cold days, and may benefit from a carburetor cleaning to restore optimal performance. With this car, you'll not only get reliable transportation, but also a bit of fun. The white exterior and red interior create a stylish look, and its character and individuality make it an excellent choice for those who appreciate something special in their vehicle. Don't miss the chance to add this vibrant car to your collection. 3. An incredible opportunity to become the owner of the stylish 1974 Chevrolet C10, presented at the price of $15,000. This unique pickup, with a mileage of 183,333 miles, has not only been set in motion, but has also undergone significant changes, including an engine replacement with a 6.0 and the installation of a 700R4 transmission. The owner has dedicated a lot of time and resources to this vehicle, turning it into a true work of art. However, it's worth noting that the car requires a new paint job, which could potentially become your unique contribution to its style. The seller explicitly expresses readiness to sell or trade for another model, such as Silverado, Escalade X, or another C10. It's also important to mention that the car comes with a clean title. Don't miss the chance to become the owner of this stylish and powerful Chevrolet C10, which will undoubtedly capture the attention of all automotive enthusiasts. 4. Exclusive 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu with a mileage of 128,000 miles, available for just $12,500. This magnificent model became the first in the Chevelle lineup and will undoubtedly be a wonderful addition to your car collection. The car not only looks stunning, but is also perfect for daily use, providing reliable and comfortable driving. The owner emphasizes that the front and rear floor panels are in excellent condition. The trunk compartment has been replaced, and all the glass is preserved in perfect condition. Additional efforts have been made to eliminate damage to the rear fender, restoring the car to its original appearance. The mechanical part is also top-notch, featuring a 283 engine, 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, and a restored 2-speed Power Glide transmission. Numerous improvements, including a new radiator and replacement of various suspension components, ensure excellent performance and reliability. The interior is also in excellent condition, with a new headliner and well-maintained seats. Don't miss the opportunity to own this unique 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, which not only captivates with its exterior, but also offers outstanding performance and driving comfort. 5. Introducing an exclusive opportunity to become the proud owner of a stylish 1967 Ford Galaxie 500, currently available for $9,000. This magnificent car has traveled a modest 109,000 miles, features an automatic transmission, and boasts a stylish exterior in turquoise, complemented by a black interior. The owner emphasizes that the car is safe, reliable, and in excellent condition. In 2021, a comprehensive restoration was undertaken, including a new brake system, cooling system, and charging system. In 2022, a new carpet was installed. The car is equipped with a V8 engine with a displacement of 289 cubic inches and a 2-barrel carburetor, ensuring reliable and efficient performance. When driving this Galaxie 500, you'll appreciate the clean frame, impeccable floor condition, and absence of rust. This car not only provides comfortable transportation, but also impresses with its stylish appearance. So if you're looking for a reliable, safe, and stylish vehicle, this 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 is exactly what you need. Hurry to see and experience this dependable classic. 6. A unique opportunity awaits you to become the owner of an amazing 1985 Chevrolet Corvette base for just $6,500. This splendid car has currently traveled 123,889 miles, features a manual transmission, and boasts a stylish exterior in burgundy, which complements the beige interior perfectly. The owner emphasizes that the car has no significant damages or issues and has been fully paid off, providing you with a clean title. The car was repainted 3 years ago in the rare shade of black rose. Additionally, a new clutch has been installed, and the rear wheels are fitted with new Hankook Ventus B2 tires. Extra front tires come with the car as well. This 1985 Corvette base is equipped with a 4+3 Doug Nash manual with a functional overdrive, adding extra versatility to the vehicle. The owner has also installed the Derby City CNC aluminum air pump delete kit for enhanced performance. You will receive new oil for replacement, and the car comes with a set of 5-spoke C5 wheels that can be used for racing events. Don't miss your chance to acquire this stunning 1985 Chevrolet Corvette base at an attractive price. 7. An excellent opportunity to acquire the stunning 1970 Chevrolet Malibu for just $24,900. This elegant car has currently driven 104,000 miles and is presented in a blue exterior with a white interior. The car underwent a complete restoration in the spring of 2023, including extensive body and chassis work. It is powered by a robust 402 cubic inches big block engine, providing strong acceleration. Paired with it is a rebuilt turbo-automatic TH350 transmission equipped with an enhanced shifting kit. This is a car that not only looks fantastic, but also delivers outstanding performance. Numerous innovations include the fuel tank, exhaust system, body mounts, shocks, front disc brakes, master brake cylinder, power brake booster, bumpers, body emblems, trunk molding, door panels, carpet, headliner, door handles, window trims, ignition lock, retro stereo system, and much more. This car is attractive not only for its appearance, but also because it has a fully paid-off title and has no significant damages or issues. The owner emphasizes that a previous sale fell through, and now this beautiful 1970 Chevrolet Malibu is available for purchase again. Don't miss your chance. 8. Presenting the unique 1985 Buick Regal, available for purchase at just $14,000. This white-colored car with an automatic transmission has covered only 2,000 miles and comes with a clean title. It is now ready for a new chapter in its history. The 1985 Buick Regal, painted in a pale white color with a vibrant red interior, offers a unique driving experience. According to the seller's description, the car is fully reinforced with extended control arms and telescopic cylinders for special dynamics. The 3-pump 14 battery suspension system provides a high lift and an impressive symphony of sounds. This Regal has had 2 owners and holds a clean title, emphasizing its good condition. However, the car requires some work to restore its street prowess. As mentioned in the description, the body has wear from the passage of time, and the interior has been affected by sunlight. Nevertheless, the interior space, including the ceiling and seats, has no tears or cuts, and there are no cracks on the instrument panel. The 1985 Buick Regal is not just a car, it's a work of art on wheels. This characterful car awaits a new owner ready to breathe new life into it and give it a second chance on the roads. 9. Introducing the remarkable 1965 Ford Mustang, currently available for purchase at just $17,000. This beautiful red-colored car with an automatic transmission has already covered 2,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The 1965 V8 Mustang impresses with its dynamics and an incredible sound, courtesy of the lack of a muffler, making it quite loud and giving the sensation that it's ready to soar into the sunset. Although it's not a show-ready car, but rather a driver's car, it's in excellent mechanical condition. Equipped with a 306 cubic inch V8 engine with a stroker kit, AFR heads with large valves, a flat tappet, and much more, this powerful engine is paired with an upgraded C4 transmission and a new Hughes valve train at 2,800 RPM. While the car still requires some work, especially aesthetically, it is fully roadworthy. The seller emphasizes that the car has some features like manual brakes and steering, lacks air conditioning and heating. All leaks have been addressed, except for a few drops from the rear oil seal. This Ford Mustang provides an excellent opportunity to acquire a historic car with impressive power and sound at an affordable price. 10. Introducing the magnificent 1978 Lincoln Continental, currently available for purchase at just $7,800. This beautiful blue-colored car with an automatic transmission has already covered 82,700 miles and comes with a clean title. The Lincoln Continental is equipped with a powerful 460 V8 engine, allowing it to start and move with ease. The car is in good mechanical condition despite its age. The current registration is inactive, which may provide certain benefits. This car is entirely free from rust and offers you a unique opportunity to acquire a reliable and comfortable vehicle with significant potential. It has some features such as the need for painting and replacing the vinyl roof, but the interior is in good condition and retains its originality. The seller's description also highlights a working 44-inch luxury sunroof, power windows, a functional air conditioner, and thorough maintenance, including carburetor reconstruction, spark plug replacement, wires, cap and rotor replacement, radiator flush, new fluids, and complete tuning service. The seller is also open to trades and will consider your exchange offers such as Lowrider, Fleetwood, Impala, K5, C10. This Lincoln Continental represents a unique blend of style, power, and potential to bring your ideas and visions for a car to life.